Diffusion. Definition, movement of solute from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Osmosis. Definition. Osmosis is the diffusion of solvent across a membrane, the movement of solvent molecules from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration. Finally, dialysis is the process of separating molecules in solution by the difference in their rates of diffusion through a semi-permeable membrane. This happens due to different sizes of solutes, which is measured in Daltons. Diffusion, osmosis, and dialysis have importance in biological processes.
Hold up! Before you swipe away, I've got something cool for you. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, why not make it official? Hit that like button to show some love. It only takes a second, but it means the world to us. And while you're at it, drop a comment below. Seriously, we read every single one of them. And don't forget to subscribe, because you wouldn't want to miss out on all the awesome content we've got lined up, right? Plus, subscribing is like having a VIP pass to all our future videos. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps us going. Thanks for watching. You're the best. Catch you in the next video.